what point do you decide to make changes to an already successful recipe?
And we did do a little tweak to give it, I would say, a little different appeal. And I think the appeal was to relate it more to the sustainability aspects that we're so proud of. We're using some local malt that's malted right here in the city by a sort of mom and pop, a father and son malt house, which is really neat. Using regional hops that are sourced from right here in the region, which is great to see, and it's great to support the local farmers and local raw materials.